All right. Mr. Booley, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. You paid that improper plate, right?
I just have $100 balance left on one of those tickets. I paid the one for $240 and the one for $105.
Here's how it's gonna go. The $240, that misdemeanor, I'm gonna dismiss that. You paid.
Okay.
That civil infraction, you owe another $100 on. Just take care of that so it doesn't affect your license, all right?
No problem at all. I'm gonna clear that out next week for sure.
All right, very well. You're free to leave. All right, I'll put it on the record, all right?
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day.
You have a better one, all right? Good luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Judge.
Mr. Faulkner, good morning to you. We have Ms. Ritter with us today as our courtroom clerk, so Ms. Mathis could not make it.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Ms. Ritter.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Bradfield.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Latham, do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do.
This case is what, 10 years, 11 years ago?
Yes.
All right, I'm not gonna even bother with it. Put it on the record.
Do I,
You'll owe a $45 reinstatement fee, all right?
my license is already reinstated. Do I need to?
Well, that's fine. It'll be down here at the court as a $45 reinstatement fee.
Okay. So I can bring that, I can come up there tomorrow or anytime today and just pay that?
Yeah, or you can pay it on the DivDat kiosk.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna put it on the record anyway. Let's wait on the court order to come in, all right?
Yes.
All right, on that iPhone, that I just met in the room, good morning to you. Who is that?
It's you. Hello.
Yeah, what's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Ralph Olden. O-D-E-N.
Ralph Olden, right?
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Judge, am I okay to leave? Or do I need to?
We need to put yours on the record.
Okay, okay.
What happened? Wait.
Go ahead and eat a piece of birthday cake. Have a little dessert. So we do have to find a balance because we're definitely not saying you can't.
Mr. Oden, can you turn your television down,
Yes, I can.
please?
There you go.
Thank you, thank you. Good morning on the OnePlus DE2118. Good morning to you. Who might that be? OnePlus, that came on the OnePlus device. I didn't hear you.
With the white shirt on.
With the scarf, with the stocking cap on his head that he has to remove, please.
Oh, that's not Devon Ortiz.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Ortiz.
Good morning, sir. Judge.
Okay.
Sir.
That's fine. OnePlus or Devon Ortiz. All right. Jalen Gavon, good morning to you.
Good morning.
He's one of our frequent flyers. There's Miss Williams Law. Get going. Yep. Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving. Court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your
All right, good morning. So I'm like, you might be going to something.
I was gonna say,
All right, let's go with the city of Detroit. You ready, Miss Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Lynette Latham, case number 12-4-55-79-5. Appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P700578 on behalf of Ms. Latham. State your name for the record, please.
Kimberly Latham.
All right, today is the date time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
All right, in or not, deeply in your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. At this time, we'll dismiss the case for age of the case, and we'll waive the fee should be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee. Ms. Latham, if you don't have any further questions, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you. I appreciate you, sir.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Roy Stanley Dooley Jr., case number SP 124-09533. Today is the date and time set for a review. Mr. Dooley is paid. He was here earlier. I let him go. We'll dismiss that case, and we'll give him 30 days to pay the remaining balance on the blocking traffic. on the iPhone, let's get that iPhone name now. Can you unmute yourself and turn your camera on, please? Is the person I haven't spoken with, and they have just iPhone by their name. Yes, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Valencia Lynch.
It's what?
Valencia Lynch. Valencia.
Okay, Valencia Lynch, I see you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Monique's iPhone, what is your last name, ma'am?
Gray, Gray.
All right, on the iPhone, just let in, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Larka Ousley.
Say that again?
Larka Ousley.
No, not you, ma'am. Good morning to you, though.
Good morning.
I guess she just put the name up there. She had a
Sade
nursing home.
Lane.
Monique Lewis.
That's Monique Lewis. Monique Lewis.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. All right. Let's give Mr. Gavon. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Oh, hold on, my bad.
City of Detroit versus Jalen Durrell Gavon, case number SP 351337, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 7915451, SP 883537, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gavon. State your name for the record, sir.
Jalen Durrell Given.
Given, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
For purpose of arraignment, he stand mute away from the readers, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give a $0 bond. Now, we don't have a city attorney yet. We got a new city attorney now. She's not here. Nevertheless, I see that he has some tickets that he needs to pay if he needs to get this driver's license. Have you ever had a license, sir?
Yes. I currently just came from prison doing 4 years. I paid all the tickets while I was in prison. But when I came home, January the 10th, they showed, I tried to go get my license. These are the same tickets I paid while I was in prison. And I have my proof of incarceration with me now. Prison since 2019, January the 10th.
Okay. That's not gonna satisfy. Now, I will give you, at the end of all this, I'll give you credit for time served on that. I don't have a problem with that, but that's not gonna satisfy these civil infractions. You have one civil infraction that is no proof of, you have 1, 2, 3 civil infractions that are no proof of insurance. What I can do for you is I can allow you to, I'll do this for you. I can't give you credit for time served on a civil infraction, but what I can do is I can erase the late fees and stuff for you. And,
Okay.
and then you can pay those no proof of insurance civil infractions And that would get you on a course to get a driver's license. Have you ever had a license before?
Yeah, I had a license before I went to prison. It was just suspended because of the tickets.
Very well. All right, so on SP 719 2063, I'm gonna waive late fees. You'll still have to pay the original ticket and the reinstatement fee on all of these. I'm gonna do the same for SP 9210461 and 17370592. I'm gonna waive late fees. Now, do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
No.
Okay, so if you come up with the money to pay those tickets off after I lay the late fees, you should be able to get clearances to go to the Secretary of State. In the meantime, I'm gonna set a trial date for these other matters. And we'll get some resolution on the trial date. Hopefully, between now and that time, you can come back and get with the valid driver's license, all right?
Okay, so you said pay the, can you tell me how much are those?
I can't now. We're gonna have to get the update after we put that stuff in the computer.
So it's there's no way I could pay these tickets, the ones that you said you waiving the late fees today, and then I can get my driver's license. Can I pay those today and then get the license?
Yeah, you'll be able to pay them today. We just have to give Madam Clerk an opportunity to put this in the system. Now let me explain something to you. You're still gonna owe the court, because I don't want you to come back and say that's off. You're still gonna owe the court for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 civil infractions, right? And they're probably gonna come later on for that money at some point. But these no proof of insurances, I'm allowing you to pay these so you can go directly and get a driver's license. And once you pay them, you wait 48 to 72 hours, and then go to the Secretary of State. And then you got to come back for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 misdemeanors. And then we should get a resolution to these misdemeanors one way or the other. And I told you I can give you credit for time served once you show me the documentation and stuff. All right, even if the officers even show up, I don't know, but we'll get some. Officer Spidell is still with the force. We'll get some resolution of those when you come back. All right.
Okay, thank you. So I think the proof of incarceration probably should work for that.
For the misdemeanors, yes, okay, but not for the civil infractions. These no proof of insurance civil infractions are what's holding your license up. And I'm waiving the late fees on those, all right? So once Madam Clerk gets it put in the system, you pay those no proof of insurance. Did you write those case numbers down I gave you?
Yes, I had them already.
Yeah, the no proof. You went to the Secretary of State already, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, they told you, all right, if there's nothing further, come back on May the 23rd, 2023, and we'll get the other matters resolved, all right?
Okay, Judge, I'm a little, so on May 23rd, come back to deal with the things but I can go, like you said, I just want a firm understanding. I can pay these tickets and get a driver's license back.
You should be able to. If they don't give you already know the case numbers that they gave you, right?
Yes.
As soon as Madam Clerk gets those waivers of the late fees in the system, then you can pay those. and wait 48 to 72 hours. It's 3 no insurance tickets.
Yes.
You can pay and wait 48 to 72 hours. Is there a no insurance misdemeanor on there as well? What case numbers do you have from the Secretary of State? Yes, it's 2 no insurance misdemeanors as well. Do you have the numbers from the Secretary of State?
Yeah, it's on this phone. Like I have them in my notes.
All right, well, pay these first. If you have a problem after that, then come on back, all right? You can come back before May 25th. Just zoom back in, all right?
Okay.
All right, but I know you're gonna have to pay those 3.
Yeah, that's what they told me. It was just the ones with no proof of insurance.
And it's 3 of them?
Yes.
All right, well, you'll be all right then. You should be all right, all right?
Okay, thank you very much.
Nothing further, I'll see you back on the 23rd of May. Are you working now?
Yeah. Because I'm trying to do my CDLs. That's why I need this taken care of as soon as possible.
That's good, that's good. No more of that prison stuff, right?
No way. I was young and yeah,
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you back on May 23rd, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Feel better. Russell Gregory?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Did I get that right?
Greg Waugh, but yeah, close enough.
Greg Waugh.
Yes, sir, it's French. Yeah.
I know. I should have got that right because I took French, and I'm still trying to practice up a little bit. But as you can see, I'm not practicing that much, right? It's the city of Detroit.
No, I was just gonna say I went by Gregory my whole life. I was just giving you the correct pronunciation. That's all.
Yeah, I would like the correct one. This is the city of Detroit versus Russell William Gregoire. Case number SP 1666448, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1366461. Appearance for the record, please.
Russell William Gregory.
Paul Faulkner, the representative defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the time set for a pretrial matter. This is the most serious, one of the most serious offenses that come before me, and that it is the penalty for them is quite substantial. A suspension of your driver's license for at least at least 90 days, and
Why is it?
Go ahead, Mr. Parker.
Is this for what was the charge on that? I don't have.
Reckless driving, insurance, misdemeanor, and expired plates.
It is 90 days hard suspension.
Hard suspension, meaning you cannot even go get a restricted license from a higher authority court. So I got a better driver's course that may mitigate some of this.
Yes, sir. I already took the course and I sent it to your email, sir.
I have it. Very well. Very well. All right. So let's wait on the city attorney to come in here and see what the let's see. Is there a buffer in the file already?
I think there was. The attorney told me last time they would get it down to drag racing with 4 points, I believe. That's what she said.
We'll see if Mr. Faulkner can do better than that. We'll see.
Yeah, if you could take my driving record into consideration, I've always been a law-abiding citizen. I was popping a wheelie on my motorcycle. It was extremely negligent, and I take.
You just keep on admitting to stuff.
Sir, that's the reckless driving. You know what? You know what I mean, sir.
Let's not admit to a crime, Mr. I don't know. Is popping a wheelie a crime? I don't know.
It's reckless driving, sir. It's reckless driving, sir.
And you'll admit to that.
Yes, sir. I'm being charged with it. I will,
Mr. Faulkner, your client just admitted to a 6-point offense. And,
No, he's just practicing his speech.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet.
All right, let's pass the matter, allow Mr. Faulkner to speak with the city attorney when that city attorney comes in, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that Moto G Pure? Is that Graham?
Yes,
Okay. I was wondering how you got in.
I wasn't able to log on at first. I was having trouble this morning.
No, I was, you changed your name yourself.
Yes, Chanel Graham.
All right. Good morning to you, man.
Good morning.
All right, let's go with I'm probably gonna get it wrong again. I should. Miss Nevaeh Higgins.
Paul Faulkner represents an defendant, Your Honor.
Let me call the case. This is Detroit versus Nevaeh Diamond Weir Higgins, case number SP 1425364, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner represents the defendant. Your name, ma'am? Was that a ma'am?
Nevaeh Higgins.
All right, Miss Higgins, you were here the other day. What were you ordered to do?
To bring back registration and insurance.
Did you have a valid license?
Yes.
Runner license. Let's see the registration and insurance now, please. You were the one that you were at work. 422, that's not valid.
And then this is what my mom said.
See what you turn it over. Turn it over. All right. There. I don't want to see Betty Boo.
Sorry.
See, push it closer, please. Push it a little bit closer. What is that expiration date on there? Effective.
One 2023.
All this, is that effective 1/20/2023 or expiration?
That's the effective date.
Very well. All right, listen, I believe you got insurance. Your mom needs to give you the updated registration to that vehicle. I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna accept it this time, but you gotta have the documentation, all right?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. Tell you gotta tell your mom you got me out here bold.
I'm sorry?
Gotta tell your mom, you got me out here bold. You giving me
I know. Giving me the
yeah, but don't blame your mom for that, right? Because you're old enough to look at it and say, listen, this is way too old.
I didn't even look at it. I just saw the white stuff. I'm
okay,
like,
so
right.
who does it fall on?
What'd you say?
Who does it fall on?
Me.
The responsibility.
Yes, I know, Judge.
Yeah, you know, you don't want to hear your mom tells you that all the time, doesn't she?
Absolutely.
All right, you gotta pay more attention. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I'm gonna dismiss the cases. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
You're welcome.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Madam Clerk, may I get into the docket?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that one more time? Oh, a document,
For
okay.
Mrs. Mills Law.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And my reporter number is 8147 if you need that also.
Very much.
State of Michigan versus Ralph James Oden, number SX4051251. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, how you doing, yeah?
Name and stuff, right?
Paul Faulkner representing defendant.
Probably, 'cause there's a lot of people at 8:35.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Oden, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, Your Honor, I tried, I went down to 36th District. I got to take care of 3 or 4 responsibility people.
At Secretary of State?
No, they said I had to go down to 36th District.
Did you take care of them?
Nope, I want to see you first, and then I'm gonna go down there and handle everything.
I don't see where he needs to come down here, Mr. Faulkner.
Okay. There's no suspensions on his license?
Well,
Just today?
I haven't even pulled his license, but just by pulling his name does not give me anything to suggest that he owes the court a couple of dollars, 25, 25, 25, and 45, but those should not be affecting his driver's license. So I'm going to suggest you go back to the Secretary of State. Have you ever had a license, sir?
Yeah, yes, I did, but way back.
Way back. You've been driving bold for a long time, huh?
Long time, Your Honor.
All right, go back to the Secretary of State, sir. I'm gonna give you some time.
Okay.
I'm gonna set another pretrial date for April the 24th, 2023 at 8:30. All right.
Okay, the 23, April the 23rd.
April 3rd, 2020. April 24th, 2023.
8:30. Okay, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, come on back. Hopefully you have a valid driver's license.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, this gets me down to Juan Gonzalez.
Good morning, sir.
Morning to you.
Appears to be a review, Your Honor.
Have a review?
I think so.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Sebastian Gonzalez, case number SP 138-37991. Appearance for the record, please.
Juan Rodon.
Oh, you don't have to put your appearance on the record. Mr. Gonzalez, state your name for the record, please.
Juan Sebastian Gonzalez.
Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. I see that Mr. Gonzalez has met his obligation with the court and paid the $240. So at this time, we're going to dismiss your case, sir, all right?
All right, sounds good.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Monique Gray.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Monique Gray.
Let's call the city. Well, I think Monique Gray is a trial. I believe. No, she's
It's
not.
pre-trial, Your Honor.
It's pre-trial because I have an animal control investigator, must be a trial for something else. I don't know if she's here. I don't see why she would be here for this Gray. It's the city of Detroit versus Monique Gray. Case number B1289. 323, B12893423, B12893623. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Gray. State your name for the record, please.
Monique Gray.
All right, I believe this will be a 12-month delay on the nuisance ticket, $240 fine. I don't know if you got the dogs vaccinated and licensed or not yet. Have you, ma'am?
He is vaccinated. I haven't got the record. I do have his license. I cannot find the paper.
Oh, well, we'll wait until she gets the paperwork. We can set a trial date if she chooses. I don't know what it would take for you to go back and get a copy of that, but I know they want to see the dog licensed and vaccinated, and they will offer you, once they see that, they'll offer you the plead guilty on the nuisance charge. With that, I would dismiss that upon payment and 12-month delayed sentence. If the dog doesn't get in any further trouble, then the case will be dismissed. So you have the possibility of coming out of here without a misdemeanor record and a fine, but you have to show proof of vaccination and dog license. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Bradfield. You can speak to her. Let her know that she has an absolute right to a trial, Miss Bradfield. We can set her up with that if she so chooses. All right.
All right.
All right, join the room, please.
Anna, can you co-host me? Well. Thank you.
Perkins. This is the city of Detroit versus Divon Anthony John Bar Ortiz. Case numbers SP 1308750 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1309048 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Chair.
Right. Mr. Ortiz, can you state your name for the record, please? Unmute yourself, please.
Yes, Davon Ortiz.
Well, first and foremost, there's not a Devon Ortiz in this file. This is a file for the wrong Ortiz. Elanda. All right, Mr. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Mr. Faulkner.
Wait for my reading, stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This is what you call getting the book thrown at you. Whereas it appeared that Mr. Ortiz, in all of the same stop, was charged with, good morning to you, charged with improper plates, unregistered vehicle. Let me make sure I'm speaking correctly. Yes. Improper plates, unregistered vehicle, no proof of insurance, by an officer writes the ticket for no proof of insurance and why officer writes for unregistered untitled. Let's see if this is on the same page.
Your Honor, I sent my proof of insurance to your email and my registration.
Let me just think out loud, all right?
Okay.
I did get your email address. Let's see. You sent it that day, didn't you?
Yes, sir. You told me if I sent you that and my registration, I
And
would
bring
have to pay it.
$165. Registration 5/10/5/2022. It was valid at the time. Do you have valid registration now?
Yes.
What about valid insurance?
Yes. I sent all that to your email.
All right. $175 for blocking traffic for the speeding ticket, and we'll dismiss. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Doesn't carry any points. It's a civil infraction. And I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket. You want to take the deal, sir?
Say that again. What do I?
The speeding ticket, I'm going to give you a amended count of blocking traffic. A 0-point offense costs you $175, and we'll dismiss the rest of the matters.
Yep.
It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points.
Okay.
And it's a civil infraction, so it's like akin to an expensive parking ticket, I call it.
Okay.
You want to take that deal?
Yeah, I'll take the deal. I'll pay it today.
Very well. Mr. Faulkner, on behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the proper cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ortiz, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. $175, dismiss the other matters. Now, is that other Ortiz? Did she have anything to do with this?
No, I'm sorry.
No, let me see that. I'm going to give you till do you know an Eldana Marie Ortiz?
No, I don't.
Okay, very well. All right, I'm gonna give you till the next week to make that payment. You said you can pay it today. That'll close it out. That'll be $175. Wait till you see that blocking traffic $175 on there before you pay anything, all right?
Okay.
That should be in the system today. Pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, okay?
Yes, sir. What time you think it's gonna be on there?
It should be on there very soon, very soon.
Yeah, give it about an hour.
An hour.
Okay, got you.
It'll read blocking traffic, $175.
Yep.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, we've got to wait on Mr. Russell. Ms. Bradfield.
Yes, Your Honor.
What about your client? What is she gonna do with this dog?
She would like to ask the trial date be set, Your Honor.
A trial, okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Monique Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel indicates you want a trial date for this matter?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a trial date for May the 23rd, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay. Yes.
You have any further questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, you as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Osley? Osley?
Larka Osley?
Larka Osley? Will she fall asleep? All right, let's move on. Lynch, Valencia.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. This is Officer Boris. I have to go check in another courtroom. I just want to make sure you have me down.
Very well, I got you. Good morning, Officer Boris.
Good morning.
I didn't know how to unmute my phone. I did not fall asleep. It's like Osley. I didn't know how to unmute my phone.
All right.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, come on.
Osley, L-A-A-R-K-A?
Yes.
I don't see you on the docket today for some reason.
I have the paper. It says 8:30.
It's not on my docket.
Did you read the date?
Yes, it says, 1 second.
No, she's not on the docket. Let's set her, we'll set her for arraignment. I don't think you read the date.
I thought it said 3/23.
Says the 28th. You got a couple of different dates, but it says the 28th.
Oh, yeah, I didn't read it. I thought that said 23rd, but it says 28th. Sorry.
Let's get her arraigned. City of Detroit versus Larka Octavia Osley, case number SB 1190143, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1382430, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1417683, counts 1, 2, and 3. It's called State of Michigan versus Larka Octavia Osley, SX 3673534, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Osley. Take your full name for the record, please.
Larka Osley.
For purpose of arraignment, she stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
And enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. I give her a $0 bond. She paid On those state cases, she paid one of the tickets. So I'm gonna give her the benefit of the doubt and dismiss the two other state cases. But she paid related civil infraction and no proof of insurance. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for April, strike that, April the 24th, 2023 on the other matter. All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Osley, come back at 8:30 and you'll get an offer, or you can set a trial date on those other matters, all right?
Okay.
April 24th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m., pre-trial.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, have a great day. This is the City of Detroit versus Valencia Ariel Lynch, case number SP 1432405, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Paul Pong, the representative defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lynch, do you have a valid license?
Do I have what?
Do you have a valid license?
Yes, right here.
Run her driver's license, please. Do you have valid registration and insurance? You can put that down, ma'am.
Yes, I have insurance and registration.
Let's see what you have. I need to see that. I'm gonna run your license here.
I have Progressive.
All right, I have Progressive too. It's kind of expensive.
I'm maintaining.
I am too. Did that, you spotlighted that for me, Miss Winslow?
I did, Your Honor.
You have to push it a little closer, please. I can't, I don't know if there's something wrong with your camera, it's just blurry. Or you don't have that.
I'm gonna turn my camera. I'm gonna turn my camera around.
That's better. That's better.
Go push it up closer, please.
Expires 8/16, effective 2/16 of this year, Your Honor.
8/16/2023. All right. Once we get this license, we'll see. You must not have that new iPhone 13, huh, ma'am?
I have the 13.
And that's the best that camera can do. I thought that was the selling point on those things.
I probably need to clean my
I got the XR, and mine is better camera than that. She's got a valid driver's license. We're going to give her the benefit of the doubt this time and dismiss the tickets for providing valid documentation. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, Miss Osley, have a very good day. Luck to you. All right. You're free to leave, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What was her name, Your Honor?
That's Lynch. That's Lynch.
Okay.
That brings us down the lane.
Yep. Hi, Your Honor. Sade Lane.
Let's good morning to you, ma'am. Let's call the city attorney's office and see why they haven't sent us a corporation counsel yet. I don't see you on here either, Steve. Oh, I do. I do. I see you. call the city of Detroit versus Sade Renee Lane, case number SP 108-2254, count 1, SP 1308414, count 1 and count 2, SP 1308461, counts 1 and count 2, SP 1403385, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1432823, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Fung, representative defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Lane, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sade Lane.
All right. I'm going to set aside the defaults. I'm going to offer Ms. Lane an opportunity to take the better driver's course. Did you do that already, ma'am?
I did not. No, I didn't. They sent me something in the mail, but it's always after 4 o'clock and I can't make it.
Well,
I called
this is
SOS trying to reschedule.
Well, that's for the Secretary of State. This is for us. And that those are two separate things. What you have is a 26 to 30 mile an hour over the speed limit. That's very, very excessive speed. And in order to try and convince the city attorney to have some mercy on you and save you from some points, because this is a 4-point offense now, they want you to take this better driver's course.
Okay.
It's totally up to you. It won't have anything to do with the Secretary of State. You may have to take another course there. But what I can tell you is you take this course, you probably come out of here with fewer points. And then you can take the other course and they probably can wipe away the points completely. I think the Secretary of State does offer that one-time course for people as well. So you may end up taking 2 courses, but I can tell you, it'll probably be beneficial to you. Upon completion, please send me All right, I put the course in the chat along with my email address.
Okay.
If you can pull that out the chat, then I'll give you some time to take the course if you want to.
It's an online course?
It's an online course.
Okay. So I can do this right now?
Yeah, if you choose.
I'm talking about like, would I have to log out? Would I do it while we
Yeah,
still
well,
in
I'm
court,
gonna give you some time to take it so you can come back. You can come back at another date. So I'm gonna give you some time to take it. I'll give you 30 days. Oh, there we go.
Good morning.
He's back. This is a pretrial date, 4/24/2023. I'm setting aside defaults. And you take that course and you have all that information and be ready to submit it, have it submitted to the court before, ahead of time, so we can kind of expedite things, all right, Miss Lane? He's got
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, Miss Lane, you have a very good day, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You as well.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Bourgois. Mr. Bourgois, we finally have a city attorney here. He admits to Willie on his motorcycle. That's why he got a reckless driving.
Oh, okay.
Let me ask you this. How has that become reckless? You can't pop a Willie on a motorcycle?
Not at all.
Huh?
That's,
He seems to know that as well too.
Now I do, sir. Now I do, sir.
See, that's.
Records in
Now he knows.
I
Now
would
he
have
knows.
never been doing it, sir. Would have never been doing
Wait a
it,
minute.
sir.
Wait a minute. Now he knows that he admitted to a misdemeanor. Okay.
Yes, sir. I take full accountability, though, sir.
Driving record.
He took the 14.
Maybe that the 2 point, fail to correct the lenses. Can't do that.
All right, 2 points. Failed to correct the lenses. Let me get the right.
CR4.
See. Let me get the right code for that. You want to take that deal, sir?
No, I didn't hear you, but I heard 2 points. So yes, I would take that deal if it's 2 points. Yes, Your Honor.
Very well.
Smart man, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who's all representing Mr. Bourgeois?
Paul Fong, Representative Defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Let me put you in a breakout room, read him his advice of rights, and then come on out and we'll take the plea.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I got some trial, Mr. Goss.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have trial people here.
And officers?
And officers.
Okay.
Officers are in the break room.
All right, give me a few minutes and I get on, so.
And Monique Lewis. Hold on 1 second. Am I live? Ms. Lewis, you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is City of Detroit versus Monique Renee Lewis, case number SP 134-16631. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradshaw on behalf of Ms. Lewis. State your name for the record, please.
Monique Lewis.
All right, Ms. Lewis, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I was issued my permit on March 13th and I go take eligibility for a road test April 12th.
Let's pull her driver's license, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Well, let me try. Oh.
Driver's license is valid, ma'am. I'm gonna dismiss your case for providing valid documentation, but that doesn't mean you don't have to stop following through with that road test, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very well. If there's nothing further, I'm gonna dismiss the case. Very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir. You have a good evening.
Thank you. Mr. Gay, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Let's see. The City of Detroit versus Byron Tavon Gay, case number SP 1000647. SP 11822511, SP 11822521, SP 137607, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Brian Gay.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gay.
You took the better driver's course, sir?
Yes, sir. I completed it and passed it as well.
And you sent it to me?
They said it was sent already, but I can send it again if you would like.
All right, I need you to send it, please.
Okay.
And I'm gonna pass this matter and get you an offer. Can I have those trial files, please? I think she has them separated. Trial files? Yeah. All right, let's pass the matter until I get that documentation. You have my email address, sir?
No, sir. Could you possibly put it in the chat, sir?
Certainly. All right, it's in the chat. Let's pass it until then. Do you have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Run the driver's please. You don't have to hang up and finish what you're doing.
I finished.
I want you to have to do 2 things. Drop something and do it twice, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, no worries. Thank you.
Miss Alexis, Green, is that Alexis Green?
Mel Graham.
Yes, sir.
I didn't say Chanel Brown.
Hey, excuse me for interrupting the court. I just want to make sure I'm in the right Zoom call. So I've been here for like an hour now.
You're in the right room, Mr. Gill. Alexis Green, you're waiting on a trial. Who else is waiting on a trial?
Yeah, yeah, and this is Brian Gay. I just sent it to you.
Okay, Goodrich is waiting on a trial. Gilbert is waiting on a trial. Glass is waiting on a trial. So I gotta get offers. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gay. Let's see what we have. I have a certificate for the driver improvement course. Congratulations on that. Let me print that out. I have a valid driver's license as well. Congratulations on that. Now let's see, what about left of center? What about plates? You have valid plates?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's offer him. Let's offer him a expired plate, $145, and a blocking traffic, $175. Both of them are civil infractions. None of them abstract to the Secretary of State. We'll close it out upon payment. No points.
I accept, Your Honor.
So representing
Daphne
Mr.
Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gayer.
So 175 and 145. You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea. Let me see what we said, if we wrote anything down, but did you just now get that license, sir?
No, I have a valid license, I believe, since hold on, I'll get my wallet.
All right. You stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
You stipulate the proper cause for the dismissal of the matters.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to make your client responsible for the amended count, blocking traffic, $175, and as charged for the expired plates, $145. Dismiss the other matters. When can you pay, sir?
I can pay that next week, sir.
Next week?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to put in there next Friday, 3/31/2023. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the quickest ways I know to get that here. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. All right.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day. This is let's go back on the record with Mr. Russell William Bourgeois. Mr. Bourgeois, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, did you read his advice of rights?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Bourgeois, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Bourgeois, I didn't get that. Mr. Bourgeois, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Faulkner in the breakout room went up to your other advice of rights, did he not?
Correct.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
I do not.
Do you understand that once you take this deal, you'll be giving those rights up?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna draw your attention back to June the 22nd, 2022 at around 3:51 p.m. in the area of Gratiot and Bellevue, sir. Did you have an occasion that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No, sir. I was just being immature. I just had got my bike fixed and I was just kind of messing around with it, being immature. You know, I've got no excuses.
Well, while you were messing around on that newly repaired bike, did you come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, and on that day, you were operating that bike, is that correct?
Correct.
And now is the time, Mr. Gregoire, to confess your sins, at least as it relates to this bike on this date and time, probably not anything else. What were you doing?
From what I recall, I was at a red light. Light turned green. I was in first gear. I just popped it up. I was riding it out for a few blocks. I believe I passed Mr. Officer Willie Robinson, I believe his name was. I passed him and he was right on the corner of a block. I seen him right away. I knew he was gonna pull me over. I set the bike down gently and literally I pulled right aside. I'm sure he'll attest to that. And that's pretty much all that happened. I told Officer Robinson I understood why he was impounding my motorcycle and why I was being charged with the charges I was being charged with.
And he did impound the motorcycle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was not cheap to get it out. Yes, sir, he did.
So setting it down gently. Let's concentrate on that.
Yes,
setting
sir.
it down gently. Did you say that to afford some more consideration from the court?
Well, no, sir. What I mean by setting it down gently, to be honest, would be like when you're riding, you don't want to just throw it down. You know, you can hurt the bike, so you kind of gotta like set it down gently. You gotta kind of rev it out and ride it out. You know.
You said that to let the court know that you're very, very, you don't want to have to repair this bike anymore.
Oh, no, sir. I'm very right. Correct.
You're gentle on the bike.
Yeah, sir. Hey, not no more. I'm not gentle no more. No more. I have a 2-year-old and another baby on the way. I'm done with the bikes, you know.
So you set it down.
Well, yeah.
What about this failure to wear corrective lenses? Let's see. Okay, corrective lenses you drove without. Let's see, 30. 2-point misdemeanor, does abstract. All right, there we go. All right, with that, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of drove without corrective lenses. It's a 2-point offense. $240 fine with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other 2 matters.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Bergois, $240. When can you pay? That's a lot of diapers.
I can pay it today.
Today. All right. Let's put that in there, 240. Let's give them until 3 next week to make sure it's in the system. Pay tonight, 3/31/2023, $240. When you see that 240 in the system, you can pay that. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can. I've told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone.
Yes, sir. What's the spelling of that? I'm sorry to interrupt. Just the spelling of that app. I
DIDDAT.
did that. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day, sir. Good luck.
Yes, you as well. You as well, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. LaFawn,
Yes, sir.
morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Gerard Thomas LaFawn, case number SP 142-82971. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield.
Go on ahead, Daphne.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. LaFawn. State your name for the record, sir.
Jared Thomas LaFond.
Got lawyers waiting in line to represent them.
Well, that's my favorite charge, Your Honor.
This is your favorite one, so I know you're gonna tell me. I know you're gonna tell me to set a trial date, aren't you?
I would no way advise Ms. Bradfield what to do. However,
That's what I would say too.
I think she'll take your advice this time, Mr. LaFawn. What I'm hearing from your lawyers is they're just gonna set a trial date, have you come back May 23rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. and we'll see if we can get a resolution of this matter on that date. Is that all right with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, they always say, old lawyer told me one time, don't talk, just might walk. All right?
Yes, sir. Can I get that date one more time?
May 23rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Very well. Mr. Tremaine. That's Tremaine Gill. Right?
I'm here. How you doing?
Very good, very well. City of Detroit versus Tremaine. Is that Dion Gill?
Dewan
Gill?
Dewan Gill, Tremaine Dewan Gill.
Today, a case number SP 143-415, 2 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Gill, do you have valid insurance and registration on this vehicle?
I do. I got the insurance right here. I might have to go to my ride real quick and see if I can grab that registration though, but I definitely got the insurance right here.
Let me see what you got, sir, please.
I got you.
What's his last name, Your Honor?
Gill, Gill.
Okay.
Can you see it?
You have to go closer, please. All right, there we go. We're getting there now. You messed it up. Turn it the other way. All right, there we go. Push it closer. Effective date 3/8/2023, and I'm going to call it good on that brand new Ford. So I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too.
All right. Make sure you keep that documentation on you next time. All right. That gets me down to Graham.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
run Ms. Brown's license for me, please? City of Detroit versus Chanel Graham, case number SP 1298777, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Chanel Graham.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Graham.
All right, this is a pre-trial set. I'm gonna run Ms. Graham's license. If the license is good, I'll give you a break on this disregard the red. No, I don't particularly like that. I see people just run through red light after red light after red light. It doesn't mean anything. I don't suggest that you're one of those persons, Ms. Brown.
No,
But
I'm not, Your Honor.
it is pretty annoying to see that, and it's unfortunate because somebody's gonna get really hurt one. I have a valid license, $175 blocking traffic, ma'am. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can speak to Ms. Bradfield, breakout room, if you choose. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor expired license ticket. You want to take the deal?
Yes, I'll take the deal.
All right. Will you, on behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Brown, when can you pay? I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other matter. When can you pay now?
I can pay next week.
All right, next week when?
Friday.
All right, let me give you until April the 3rd. I'll give you that till that Monday to make sure it gets here, all right?
Okay, April 3rd.
April 3rd, but I'm hoping that you pay it on Friday, so by April 3rd, we have it closed out. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day. Pay it at any DIV that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DIV that app to your phone, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. AJ's iPhone. AJ's iPhone, are you there?
Yes.
That's my nephew's name. You don't look like my nephew though. What's your name, sir?
Antonio Garrison.
Okay, there's Antonio Garrison is here. King Lewis is here. So we're waiting on Brandon Gilbert is here, and so we're waiting on a trial. We're waiting on an offer for you. Everyone that I called, and then now we have Glenn.
Judge, I'm sorry.
Yes.
I didn't never get a chance to speak with anybody because a lot of them tickets I didn't get.
All right, you'll get a chance. Well, let's get the offer first. You're saying that these tickets weren't yours, right?
Right, exactly.
Let me put him in a breakout room. He's contesting identity. So I'll put you in a breakout room, and then we'll get a lawyer in here in there once we get an offer to speak to.
Okay.
Join the room, please. That gets me down to Victoria Glenn.
Excuse me 1 second, Your Honor. What was the name of that person? His
name was Antonio Garrison.
Antonio Garrison. Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Glenn.
Can you unmute it, Miss Glenn?
Ms. Glenn.
Hello. Yes, I'm here.
All right. How are you, ma'am? Do you have a valid
I'm
license?
fine. I have one more ticket to pay off before I can get it. I paid off all my tickets. They
So
said I couldn't get into.
why are you behind the wheel of a car then?
I'm sitting in the driveway of the car because my kids are loud in the house. That's why.
Look at that. A little bit indignant there. You hear that, Miss Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sitting and blinking the eyes with the eyelashes at me. City of Detroit versus Victoria Lorraine Glenn. She's on 845. Case numbers SP 1273638, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1283273, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1300460, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1349655. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing Ms. Glenn, Your Honor.
Yeah. Today is the date and time set for a show cause in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Faulkner.
Wait for Marine and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. And I don't know. I'm afraid to say anything to Ms. Glenn. I don't know. What do you want to do, Ms. Glenn?
I don't even know what these tickets is from. That's what I'm saying. I just went and paid Detroit $2,200. I just noticed that I had these tickets when I went to go pay all my tickets off. And they said I could not pay these tickets because I had to show in court.
They told you right. But you don't know where the tickets are from.
I can't remember what this ticket is from, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I can't.
What date do we have on, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
What date was the incident?
How many, which one? We
Oh,
have,
okay.
We have 11/5/2021. We have probably that's 1, 2, and 3. We have another date of 11/23/2021. I call that when it rains, it pours. You know how you get stopped all boom, 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 all in a row. Then we have 1/15/2022. So those were the dates. I could set a trial date in the matter. And then let's see, this one is 5/11/2022. That one sounds like either leaving the club or going to the club. No, I'm just kidding. That's 12:15 a.m. So what do you want to do, Ms. Glenn? You want I don't see these affecting your driver's license. I don't know what you're gonna do. What do you want to do? You want a trial date? You want a free trial date to come get a license, and then we'll give you an offer then, or you want an offer right now?
Yeah.
And resolve?
Yeah. So basically, if I get my license, I have one more ticket to pay Highland Park on Monday, and then that's basically what they were saying. I got to go to the Secretary of State. So these tickets are not holding up my license. Is what you're saying?
These are not holding up your license. Probably
Yeah,
get a
okay.
better off. You'd probably get better off if you came with a valid driver's license, registration and insurance. But that's not. Is that your car you're in?
Yeah, I have full coverage insurance on this car. I bought a new car. Yes, I do. I have full coverage right now.
Wait, let me see. When did you get that car?
May 15th. I mean April 15th. I mean March 15th, the other day.
You bought it, and it's brand new?
I brought a 2017 Dodge Durango, Your Honor.
That's new for me, Your Honor.
Well, look, that's new for me too. I got to hold on to the key. But what I had to do, I got a driver's license before I got a car.
My license is suspended. I tried to get it back before I went to court, and they told me basically I had to pay one more ticket at Highland Park. Only could go pay on 3 days of the week.
That's what I call.
And I work, and I'm a single mom, so I couldn't go pay the ticket before I had to come to court.
That's what I call putting the cart before the horse. Because I got a driver's license before I got me a car. But I'll give you time.
Just, I'd say anytime after Monday, Your Honor.
I'm gonna give her, April the 24th, 2023. All right,
April 24th.
yeah, I don't want her, I don't want her wrath coming down on me. Well, I'm just sitting in the driver's seat because my kids in there live.
They are, unless you wanted to hear my background.
A brand new Durango. I'm not driving. I got driving yesterday.
I got somebody driving for me, Your Honor. And you was my same juvenile judge. I don't know if you remember, Perkins.
I wasn't your same juvenile judge. No, I wasn't that. I know that. That was David.
So what is it? Oh, that's David Perkins. That's your relative?
No, no relation. No relation. Just a good friend. All right.
I suggest not guilty and get her a trial date.
All right, Miss Glenn.
So what is the court date?
April the 24th, 2023 at 8:30.
Write it down. Because you might not give it notice.
Don't tell her what to do, Mr. Faulkner.
Oh, yes.
April 24th.
You can't tell Miss Glenn nothing anyway.
Don't do that, Judge.
Don't do what she gonna do.
Oh, well,
all right.
That's up to her.
Okay. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Everyone else that's in here, I'm here. Let's see if this is Mr. Goss. No, this is Mr. Washington. Okay. Morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning to you, sir.
Your Honor,
Yes.
take it a couple minutes before we're going to the next.
Certainly.
Thank you.
All right. Wow.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Mr. Washington.
Yes, sir.
Can you get mad with turkey on water?
Oh, I didn't. Did you want some water, Queen? I apologize, Your Honor. I didn't even hear you.
Let's see. I got all these files, so let's see. Was Samuel Garner, June.
Mm-hmm. Whoa.
Who wants to hear Mr. Garrison's story?
I'll handle it.
Why you laugh, Mr. Faulkner?
Well, when you preface what you just said, I know that I'm getting in trouble here. But
I didn't mean the story being that it's a fairy tale type story. I just see he's got a story to tell.
I'm always allowed to hear stories, Judge.
All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room
with glass.
Garth Garrison.
We got Garrison.
He says that he didn't get these tickets. Here's Mr. Goss. So we'll go join the breakout room. He's in there waiting on you, Mr. Faulkner.
Okay.
Here are the people that we need office. Looks like everybody should. Yeah, so we have Garrison. He says it's not him. glasses here. Green. Gilbert. He's got a couple of files.
Yeah, glasses is the FTD.
Glass is an FTD. Mr. Glass, are you there?
Good morning.
Goodrich is here. Latimer didn't show up. He's the only one that didn't show up. He's got 2 cases. King Lewis is here as well. All of no officer. King Lewis, no officer. No officer. All right. King Lewis got the won the prize today. Mr. Lewis, are you there? Oh, let's see. Miss Glass, where are you at with getting your driver's license?
I gotta get these tickets clear first.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus King Kaiser Lewis, case number SP1328914, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lewis. State your name for the record, sir.
King Lewis.
All right.
Your Honor, today's date. I'm sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Today is the date and time set for trial. The officer in this matter has failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. There's nothing further, Mr. Lewis. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right. Glass. Where is Glass?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Where are you? Ma'am, can you put some shirt on or something?
Dude, I'm sorry. It's my pajama shirt. My bad. Hold on.
I know, that's why I don't, the pajamas, you know, I wouldn't come to court in my pajamas, but I know
I'm
it's
sorry.
I know it's we're still recording. You're on live.
I meant to just put my face in the camera. I apologize. Good morning.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Let's see. Well, the offer for your client today, Ms. Bradfield, is going to be a failure to display and dismissing the rest of the house. That's going to have her incur another at least another 30-day suspension. So she's got a lot of cases sitting here. I don't know what you want to do. If you want to put her in a breakout, put you in a breakout room and speak to her.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm back, Your Honor. You didn't call any cases, did you?
Oh, I did. Oh, my bad. Let's do it.
I forgot.
This is the city of Detroit versus King Kaiser Lewis, case number SP1328914, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name, parents for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Lewis, and we're asking for permission to waive Mr. Lewis' appearance. He did appear today, Your Honor.
I'm going to grant that motion. That was my fault. He was here. He stated his name. Ms. Bradfield made the motion to dismiss. I granted the motion to dismiss because there's no officer. So that'll approve the record. All right. Ms. Bradfield, talk to Ms. Glass, $240 fine. She wants to take the deal. She can read her advice or rights.
Sure will.
All right.
I think we're ready on Garrison, yeah.
Yeah, I'll get the officer first.
Garrison is going to be,
You need to talk to the city attorney to about Garrison.
Yeah, I just noticed that, Bennett is here on every case that's up for trial. Like,
And he says he's not, is he still maintaining that that wasn't him?
that's correct, Your Honor. And do we have Bennett here today?
Bennett is here.
Okay. I don't know
And I
how
have-
I can,
Oh, I'm
usually I
sorry.
like to have the officer be able to see the defendant, and I know if he's gonna be able to. Harrison is, it's real dark in his room, but I don't know.
Mine, do you need me to light?
No, you're okay right now, Will.
Well,
I'd like to have Bennett, if he could recognize him or not.
have you filed a police report or flagged your license?
No, because I didn't know nothing about it until I got all these tickets. Like I got the original ticket, but I didn't know nothing.
You got it in the mail?
No, I got my original ticket, but I got these other tickets in the mail when I got the notice to come to court.
Oh, so some of those tickets are yours and some are not. That's what you're saying?
Right. My original ticket is for expired plate and defective windshield.
Well, that's nothing, that's not anything up to date. He's got expired plate, one accident, expired plate, improper plate. I don't understand why they write that. Improper plate, expired plate is the same thing. No insurance and license improper. Running his driver's license, please, Garrison.
And I have the insurance that I had back then and current insurance.
All right, let me finish writing Glass up.
Also, the Combs coming?
I haven't seen the Combs.
Oh, so on.
I have Bennett, Borsch, Hill, Shabazz, and Russo.
Okay.
Russell.
Russell, that defendant didn't show up for Russell.
You're talking about the only one defendant didn't show up.
Anthony Lattimore.
Lattimore didn't
Right.
show up.
Bennett, Shabazz, Hill, and Russell are on Mr. Lattimore. Can I use those three names? For Lattimore?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put him in.
Oh, I gotta go talk to Bennett anyway, so.
I talked to Bennett, and then these are offers for the other ones.
Yeah, sure.
And you're gonna be online, and I'm gonna give them the opportunity, Ms. Bradfield or Mr. Faulkner, if they wanna talk to you about these.
When I get a chance, I got 3 courtrooms today, Your Honor. Tell them the best thing to call me and myself.
All right.
Goodrich.
All right, we'll be just a minute. We're gonna get everybody out here real soon. All right. That's Glass. He's valid. Glass is valid. Garrison is valid. Thank you. And he says he has insurance as well. He's gonna talk to these officers. All right, is Goodrich here?
Yes, Your Honor. 3 cases for trial. Oscar is Cal, K-Y-L-E.
So he showed up where he's not here now. City of Detroit versus Josie Red Goodrich, case number SP 1383. Hold on. SP 1383032, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Josie Goodrich.
Today is the date and time set for
Trial.
a trial/formal hearing on the matters. There was an officer, Hale appeared, but he's no longer here, and he obviously didn't speak with the city attorney because he said no officer. So I'm
When
gonna.
did you sign in, Mr. Goodrich, or Miss?
She's been in here.
Been here.
I'd move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss no officer. I thought I saw Officer Hale sign in. But obviously, Mr. Goss is the one that said no officer for this, and I do not see Officer Hale now. So I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss no officer. All right. That's it's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Alexis Green. There's no officer here either. I don't see a Bombi, Perry, or McCombs. Where's Miss Green?
Here, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, I move to dismiss, no officer.
He doesn't even let me get the words out. You hear that, Miss Green?
I'm afraid the officer might sneak in on us, so we gotta get it done.
I hear that. All right, let's pull up her. This is the City of Detroit versus Alexis Green.
Okay. Those are up for trial.
Alexis Marie Green, case numbers SP 1245791, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1245781, 13504218. 19460480, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant.
Ms. Green, can you state your name for the record, please?
Alexis Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter and formal hearing. Is there Officer McCombs, Eric McCombs, Officer Joel Perry, or an Officer Michael Bombi? Hearing no response.
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss for no officer. Ms. Green, you're still gonna owe $100 on this careless drive, on this 1 to 5 over the speed limit. Civil infraction. Seems like you started to pay it in
Yes, sir, I did. I did take care of the tickets that I needed to start the process to get my license, and I did receive my permit. I sent it to you via your email as well. I'm just waiting to take my road test to get my official license.
All right, the rest of the cases are gonna be dismissed, man. Congratulations on that.
Thank
If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
You as well. Thank you.
So Lattimore didn't show up. Hill and Shabazz, Lattimore didn't show.
That's very unusual.
Now
people for Dale Burns.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, Shabazz, your defendant didn't show up.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm gonna put a failure to appear on that case.
Okay, sir.
If there's nothing further, you guys be safe out there, all right?
All right, sir. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Let's see. All right, are we ready on glass?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. City of Detroit. Well, let me pull it up again.
Wow.
City of Detroit versus Tamisha Marlin Glass, case number SP 1308305, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1308308, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 635016, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 635017 SP 1, strike that, SP 993282, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Glass. State your name for the record, please.
Tamisha Glass.
All right, Mr. Glass, today is the date and time set for trial. Corporal, do you want to put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Corporal Kropic, badge 775, City of Detroit Police Officer.
All right, today is the date and time set for a, we don't have anything, any actual tickets for Ms. Glass. Is this all we have? It's no file? All I have is all these ROAs. No file. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do you have an actual complaint, Corporate?
For Ms. Glass, I'm here on seat belt violation, expired plates, no proof of insurance, and no display a valid license.
Yeah, I don't have any actual ticket in front of me at all. And I don't know, well, all I have is
I mean, these are from 2016.
Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor. Since the court does not have the actual ticket, it's a violation of due process rights. We would like to move to dismiss.
Awesome. I would normally give him time to respond to that. I think that was my position on that. Yeah, this is the whole tickets. 2016 is the age of the ticket anyway, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss, for corporate's ticket, I'll grant the motion to dismiss based on age of the ticket. And then the other ones, no valid complaint and age of the ticket for the ones that are older than 7 years. And also for no valid complaint. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna waive the warrant fees, but be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees. Corporate, there's nothing. Did he leave?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Oh, he's back. He's back.
Is he?
Corporate. So just my tickets.
Your audio went out, Officer Croppick.
I'm sorry, I keep going in and out. I'm getting good reception over here. So mine dismissed that because of the agent ticket, correct?
Yes, corporate, you be safe out there. I'll see you next time. You're free to leave. I don't think he can hear me. All right, Mr. Glass.
Yes.
Your cases are going to be dismissed. They don't have a valid complaint. I'm waiting for the fees. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees, but you also have this state case that's old that you get $270 on as well. All right.
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, ma'am. You have a very good day and good luck to you. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right. Now that gets us down to Gilbert and Garrison. All right. No, I don't. Let's see if Gilbert has an offer in his file. You spoke with Mr. Garrison, right, Mr. Faulkner? I guess Mr. Goss is speaking with Mr. Officer Corporal Bennett right now.
Okay.
Judge.
Yes, you're free to leave, Mr. Glass.
No, I was trying to go on a break room because I had a question. My phone was going kind of in and out. So I heard partial, but I didn't hear everything. What is there something that I have to go and pay?
Yeah, you're gonna have a ticket, a state case ticket that you're gonna owe $270, it looks like on there. That's an old ticket. And you're gonna also have, some reinstatement fees. You're gonna see some $5 reinstatement fees. So after today, give it about, Madam Clerk, about, till this afternoon, go to the kiosk or come down to the court or look online and you can see how much you owe, all right? Just let her update you, all right?
Okay.
All right.
So after that, then I don't have to come back to court or to see you?
No, you don't.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
All right. All right, this is gonna be, Mr. Gilbert's tickets. They wrote him for, a failure to display. Did you take the class, Mr. Gilbert?
Yeah, I took the class, but it was on the last one, it was like it wouldn't let me proceed any further.
Say that again.
I say I did take the class, but on the last, I believe the last review chapter quiz, they wouldn't let me proceed any further.
So we don't have proof of that then. All right, so the offer is gonna be failure to display, $240 fine. Expired plates, $145. And limited access, 6 to 10, $135. And dismissing the rest of the cases. I know I saw, and again, Ms. Brad, these individuals officers are not here now, but I know Brooke officer, I told him he can release Presley and Broche appear for Gilbert. So
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Bradfield and speak to her regarding the matters. I think you owed some money. You did pay the dog cases off, so I'm gonna close those out. Join the breakout room and talk to Miss Bradfield, and you can have a private conversation with her.
And Your Honor, what was the offer again?
Failure to display, $240, expired plates, $145, limited access, a 6 to 10, $135. Join the breakout room, Mr. Gilbert.
Okay.
But you got to climb down as reminder, climb.
What day is that? Monday. What time?
Yeah. 3.
How did you change the color of that again? I know you get, I don't want y'all trade secrets.
Oh, I changed it because I have different screens up for different things.
No, how do you change the color?
Oh, this box right here.
Which box?
Did I ask it?
Yes. Right here? Good. Right there?
Yes, I'm right there.
All right. All right. It didn't change. I hit blue. You okay?
All right. Go to the. Johnson.
Look out of here.
Yes. All right. Wow.
This one.
All right, I'm, you see where it says green in that box over there? I'll change that. Oh,
Oh, no, wait a minute. I don't see it.
all right, go to the little box next to it. All right.
Oh, man. Display cursor, text options. Tools to optimize this. I don't know what SQL is.
I'm not sure.
I'm trying to see what all of these things are talking about.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what all of these things mean?
Oh, no. You could not. Let's go there and play.
Sure is warm in here, isn't it?
Yes. They keep it warm throughout the building.
And then in the summertime, they don't want to turn the AC on.
Of course not.
They also turn the AC and thinking that it's saving money, but what it does is creates, it makes the system work harder. It just have to draw the humidity down first, and then the AC comes, behind it.
So I should kill the people on the weekends.
Yes. Did you have a conversation?
Yes, Your Honor.
You were okay? What does your client want to do, Ms. Bradfield?
He's aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty and a responsible plea and accept the people's recommendation. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Deshaun Gilbert. Case numbers SP 1272838, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1272861. SP 1284116, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1284118, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 131-35801, SP 132-36721, V 120-52320, B 120876620. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gilbert. State your name for the record.
Brandon Gilbert.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matters. Let's deal with the no officer tickets. That would be SP 131-35801 and SP 132-36721. Is there a Martin and Wade respectively? No officer. Make a motion, Counselor, on those tickets.
Motion to dismiss as the officers have failed to appear for trial, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant that motion to dismiss based on no officer. V 120-52320, V 120-87620. I'm gonna dismiss those tickets at this time. Those were tickets that were under delayed sentence. And Mr. Gilbert has paid those matters. And the dogs haven't gotten any other trouble. So I'm going to dismiss those. Now we're dealing with the officer. Worth was here. And officer, I'll mark him as here. And Officer Presley was here. And the offer was pleading to the failure to display and the civil infraction of expired plates and limited access. So with that, limited access on that 26 to 30. All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gilbert, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield in the breakout room went over your other advice or rights, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know that by taking this plea, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 2nd, 2021 at around 4:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Outer Drive and Ansbury. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
You said, when was this, last year?
That was 2 years ago. Well, yeah, well, really, last year and some months. November the 2nd, 2021, around 4:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Otta Drive and Ansbury. It alleges that you are operating a 2017 Chevy.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
You recall that?
Yeah, yes.
Were you operating that motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
And did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
What's the status of your license now?
That's what I was, when I came here March 17th, the cop told me my driver license suspended. So he told me to set up a court date. That's why I came in here March 17th, so we can see what was that about. But yeah, he told me my driver license was suspended. And I don't know, I just paid off a ticket they gave me.
Right, Ms. Bradfield, you know, this is gonna give him a further suspension. I see he owes a no proof of insurance that has a reinstatement fee on there. I don't know if he's eligible to, after that, to get a license. I would like to see him get a valid driver's license so that this doesn't further complicate things for him.
So if
Go
we
ahead.
could set it out then, Your Honor, to give him the opportunity.
I would like to do that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you want to take that opportunity, Mr. Gilbert?
Yes, sir.
And then what will happen is you'll come back in here and I'll leave this plea open for you. You'd have to come down to the courthouse and pay this reinstatement fee for this no proof of insurance up front. I would like you to get me that class that you said you took to, the certificate to that class. Why don't we do this? Why don't we set a pretrial date? I'm gonna print out another one. I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna save this stuff. He comes back. I'm gonna set another pretrial date, and I'm gonna ask Madam Clerk to mark your file, pay the reinstatement fee up front. You're gonna have to bring $45 down here to the court. And you bring that $45 down here, you pay that reinstatement fee, you wait 48 to 72 hours to approach the Secretary of State.
You understand that, sir?
Right, but okay. When I posted, I'm basically like getting my driver license over.
Well, have you ever had a license before?
Yes.
Yeah, so do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
I think it was Madison Heights that suspended my license.
Well, this is suspending your license too. So this one ticket here, by paying this reinstatement fee that I'm allowing you to pay, it will give you a clearance. Now, all the cases will still be open. And we'll still have the same offer as we'll have on the date that you come back. But if the reason why I'm doing this is because if you, with this limited access and this failure to display, it might make you ineligible for a license for some years, at least a year. And I don't want to see you in that predicament. So I'm going to give you 30 days. I would first come down here with $45 immediately and pay this $45. That'll get you reinstatement fees. And then I would go out to Madison Heights and see what you have to do to clear that up. And then hopefully you can come back here on April the 24th 2023 with a valid license.
Okay.
You want to do that, sir?
Yeah.
All right, you understand what's going on?
Yeah, I understand.
You have an ink pen on you? I want you to write this case number down.
Yeah.
Have you texted Mr. Goss about Mr. Garrison, Mr. Faulkner?
Alrighty.
What do you want me to do with Garrison, Your Honor?
Text Mr. Goss and see what he wants to do. I'll text him.
Okay.
Case number is SP 127 283 82. It appears that that's the only ticket that is affecting your license down here at the 36th District Court. I would pay that $45 and then wait 48 to 72 hours where that will hit the Secretary of State. You're probably gonna have to go to Madison Heights first before, but I would seek to get a new license, and I would do whatever you could to get that Madison Heights taken care of, all right?
All right, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have you back on April. I'm gonna have you back on April 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further, sir. You have a very good day and good luck to you, all right?
Same to you. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Now let me get Goss and see if we can get Garrison out of here. Let's call the case into the record so we can just take care of those formalities. This is the City of Detroit versus Antonio James Garrison, case number SD 137-8716, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 137-8702, counts 1 and counts 2, and 871, SP 137-87021. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant, Your Honor. Who is the defendant? I'm not sure of this one.
Antonio Garrison. Antonio Garrison.
Oh, okay.
State your name for the record, please.
Antonio Garrison.
All right. This was the ID issue.
He went to a breakout room, I thought, Mr. Goss with Bennett.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
He says he's in the breakout room, but he hasn't come back out. So I'm assuming that he is. I'm going to call SP 868463, counts 2 and counts 3 in the record as well. Those look like old cases that were taken care of already. One is an improper display of plate, the SP. the SP 8684632. I'm gonna dismiss that case because it was paid. Count 3 of that matter was an open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. I'm gonna close that matter out because it was paid. Now, he does have a valid license. Let's see what Mr. Goss has to say about this case before I bring Bennett in. Okay, we have Mr. Goss here.
Can I get the breakout room with Attorney Faulkner?
Okay. Join the breakout room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What did I just do? It's wrong, whatever I did.
You didn't do anything. You hit the hand raise button. You have to join the breakout room. There he is. All right. Sit tight, Mr. Officer Hale.
Morning.
Good morning. Unfortunately, the case was dismissed. I thought I saw you come in this morning, but Mr. Goss apparently didn't speak to you. So he did not feel that you had appeared.
Yeah, I had came in and checked in, and I had to go back to Evans. I just got out of there.
Well, we let the young lady go. So.
Okay.
All right. If it's nothing further, I'll make a better note the next time. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day. Be safe out there.
Yep, you too. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm waiting for your email from Mr. Goss on Harrison. Or Garrison, I mean.
Garrison, what kind of email?
It's a body camera or something.
Okay.
I'll tell you more when I've seen it. Oh.
Lawrence, he missed his court date. March 2nd. There's no updating the system. There's a couple more. Two, zoom in right now. No. The meeting I.
Oh, man, where's my? Mr. Goss, did you send the email?
Corporal Bennett. All right, let's go back on the.
I just want to give information.
Hold on 1 second.
No.
Okay.
I just didn't want to be on the record first, kind of.
All right, let's not go on the record. Let's go off the record. Let's talk about it off the record, Madam.
Attorney Faulkner?
Yes.
Okay, I found out what was the problem was. Officer Bennett made a stop and somehow it generated the same ticket for Mr. Garrison. So Mr. Garrison tickets, the last 3 with the accident are not his, so those will be dismissed. But Mr. Garrison did receive a ticket for a failure to display, license improper.
And he has a valid license, I think.
I had a valid license.
He's got a valid license.
Okay, let me see.
So first 3 tickets. Expired plate, accident, and it's 2 counts.
No accident. Just let's look at, and I can tell you which ones. No tickets.
Probably be 161, 162, and 163 ending tickets.
And I have my original ticket too, just in case y'all need the ticket number.
Which one, the ticket number do you have that you got original?
It's P1378702.
Okay, did you fix the windshield?
Say that again.
Did you fix the windshield?
He didn't get a ticket for no windshield.
Defective windshield.
But that's not on here.
So
I don't have a defective windshield on here. So that must not have ever made it. Does that say warning?
No.
Does it say civil infraction?
Civil infraction.
It just never made it to the system.
What about the expired plates?
I got expired plates, SP 1378702, expired plates. Count 2 of that is accident. And then SP 1378703 is expired plates again. And then SP 1378716 counts 1, 2, and 3 is improper license, no insurance misdemeanor, and improper plates.
And I do have my registration and proof of insurance too.
All right, can you show us those?
Yes, sir.
And he has a valid driver's license.
I don't. Let me try to.
Yes, Corporal Bennett, Your Honor. So that ticket number P1378702, that's expired plates and defective windshield. So those are the tickets that I have before me on that one. The other ones can be dismissed because I don't even know how that even got in there.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrison and Cleo Garrison. Yeah. All right, go ahead, Mr. Goss, put your appearance on the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people.
All right.
Faulkner has the record independent, Your Honor.
Your Honor, after discussion and going through the paperwork and actually looking at videos, there's some cases that were somehow attributed to Mr. Garrison which the city is now moving to dismiss. So the only two matters today is the expired plate and defective equipment, and Mr. Garrison has shown proof of those remedies. So at this time, the city is moving to dismiss these matters.
All right,
No objection.
all right, case is dismissed. There's nothing further, Mr. Garrison. You have a very good day, and good luck to you. And Corporal Bennett, you be safe out there, and I know I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Always a pleasure, Corporate.
Yep. Yes, Counselor. And staff.
All right. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.
All right, now.
You too.
Thank you. See you later.
Have a good day. All right.
That other person never showed up.
I guess not.
Well, is the thing empty? Is that it?
That's it. Somebody else was showing up. He didn't appear. Maybe he'll appear tomorrow.